Introduce highlight features or overview summary for LyriFine Touchless Vacuum Automatic Dustpan. You can find wanted here. Shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs, filter by specification, type, brand and more. Highlight features or overview summary are include: disposable bag design, touchless disposal. Our electric dustpan features a replaceable, single-use dust bag that holds up to 7 liters of debris, pet hair, food crumbs, and more. Simply remove the sealed bag and toss it without ever touching waste. The LED indicator continuously monitors bag status, alerting you if it's full or installed incorrectly. This touchless vacuum automatic dustpan design ensures hygienic operation, making cleanup effortless and mess-free. Non-contact smart activation, hands-free cleaning. Equipped with a high-precision infrared sensor, this broom with vacuum built-in accurately detects sweeping motions within range. Simply sweep dust and hair toward the device and the smart broom with built-in vacuum will automatically suck debris into the canister. No more bending or manual scooping. Our vacuum broom transforms household chores into quick, efficient tasks that free up your time. Dual work modes, customized convenience. Switch between automatic dustpan and manual operation to suit any cleaning scenario. In automatic mode, the infrared sensor detects movement within a 2-inch range and instantly activates suction to capture debris, saving time and effort. For precision cleaning, simply press a button to control the power and airflow of this floor vacuum and electric dustpan combination, giving you complete command over every sweep in your home essentials toolkit. Dual cleaning system, no corner left behind. In floor mode, our hair vacuum for salons and hair vacuum for home efficiently lifts pet hair, cat hair, dog hair, food scraps, and litter dust to restore hardwood and tiled surfaces to pristine condition. Switch to tool mode with the included handheld nozzle to tackle sofa crevices, table corners, and pet nests. This pet hair vacuum and vacuum dustpan ensure every nook shines like new. Advanced filtration system, breathe cleaner air. Featuring a 5-layer air filtration system, this vacuum dustpan captures fine dust and particles. The layer filter prevents hair and debris from reaching the motor, extending device lifespan. A sealed dust bag design similar to a canister vacuum locks in allergens and odors. Whether clearing pet hair or food crumbs, it provides health and maintains a spotless living area. Professional grade design, versatile for all spaces, perfect for hair salons, pet grooming studios, hotels, small businesses, and homes needing a pet vacuum for pet hair. Our automatic dustpan vacuum delivers reliable, high-performance cleaning. Mount as a wall-mounted vacuum for instant access or use on floors as a standalone floor vacuum. Combining canister power with vacuum broom convenience, it simplifies chores and enhances essentials. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, recommend new products releases, update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.